Today on What's Up Guy Garage, we ordered a part for actually the Camaro and/or Firebird. It's an F-body. The blower motor in that car has been wasted for quite a while. The bearing's blown out, and we're going to see if what's in this box, whether if it's going to fit or not. I don't know. When I did some research online, trying to come up with part numbers and cross references and all this other stuff, I know I wanted an AC DELCO, part to go in just because, I guess it's in my head. Who knows? It's probably made in China. I have no idea. I'll have to check out the box to see if it is. But I wanted a replacement part that was, I guess you want to say factory, but, the most important thing was it needed to fit inside the hole. Inside here, there's a certain amount of alignment. There's 2 pins right there, and then obviously all the holes need to line up or match up. Just wanted to make sure that those things lined up, and there was no definitive answer whether it was actually going to work or not. And I'm not going to pay $150 for, stupid part like that you never even see anyway once it's in the car. All you just need is air to move. So I'll move this out of the way. So it's a box in the box. So there's your part numbers right there. ACD, which is AC DELCO, 15-80666. And then the GM part number, 191-31214. Quantity 1. And right there, what do you see? Made in Canada with imported parts. It's just that thing where, for some strange reason inside my head, my car, my Camaros, they need to have, I guess, the correct parts. And this Camaro right here has fairly the correct parts in it to the best of the ability of this car. This kind of makes me feel a little bit better that at least I'm seeing, made in Canada and, yes, from imported parts, but that is what it is. I mean, the brushes, who knows? Maybe the little rubber boot, I don't know. So, let's see what we got here. I guess it's packaged all right, right? It's definitely not factory. It is definitely a replacement. And what I'm looking at is the design of this one. It is slightly different. So, put that one there. The overall weight of this one, obviously this being more of a factory original, the overall weight of this beast versus this one, and then looking at how it's actually attached, I'm going to grab the heater core box and see if it actually fits. So now this is a heater core box, obviously for a big block. That really doesn't matter. But what does matter is where this unit, so this is the original unit, right? And you've got these little, I guess, pins or guide pins that actually align just like this. So, see how that lines up in those little pins? The little nub that's right there, little nub that's right there. So obviously we can see that this flange right here, designed for this actual case or heater cover. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this and throw it in. You can obviously see that they look different, right? So let me just line them up. So you can see there's a little bit of a difference. There's a difference in height of the motor, not the wheel, but there's a difference in the height of the motor. Obviously it's missing this giant, I'm assuming, either heat sink or possibly even a noise arrestor. When you look down on it, you can definitely see that there's a little bit of a difference. So let's just throw it on and just see what happens. So I can see where those alignment pins are. One there. It's not working in that alignment. Believe it or not, holy amazingness, it actually fits. So now let's just plug it in and see what this one sounds like. Hey, actually, you know what? What I'll do, because we already know this fits now, let's throw the original back in. Listen to that. Maybe if putting it in the case will accentuate the sound that I was talking about. We'll connect up the lead to the positive terminal over here. So now you can hear that, right? Now picture that noise resonating throughout the entire car. So now let's pop that one out. Put in, believe it or not, the AC DELCO unit that fits. We'll line it up to its little pins. All the alignment, see? All the alignment holes actually fit. The pins go in, pin there, pin there. All the alignment holes are exactly correct for this 1969 either Firebird or Camaro, whichever way you want to put it in. So let's just hook it up. See what it sounds like. I may have to scratch off some metal. See, that's a little different. A lot quieter. Yeah, I'm going to be happy with that. Let's just pop it out. We'll hear it outside. Yeah, I'm happy with that. It's going to be a heck of a lot quieter. So before going into the car, what we are going to do is we're going to clean this up. I've already sprayed Simple Green on the outside, and I'm just letting it sit, and then I'm going to spray some Simple Green on the inside and use an SOS pad to clean this out. We'll let it soak on the inside as well. Just dip it in water and just lightly scrub. See, like in these corners right here, just years of just stuff. Now just keep in mind, just watch your hands, because some of this is still sharp metal. And just take a scrub brush and some soap. And we'll go after the inside. And that looks a lot better. So because I'm psychotic with certain things and wanting things to be done correctly, I'm actually going to dig out all these sealing channels, clean it all up, get all the rust off, prime it, paint it, and then we'll be also just, you know, taking that off. It's just one of those things. It's out of the car, and you might as well just, you know, take the time and get it done. Yeah, so there you go. So we got another Amazon package busted. And this is one of those ones that you don't need a knife for. I mean, I suppose you could, chainsaw, whatever. But so there we go. You want the part number? And I'll show you what's inside this little box. Or inside this little package, if I can find out how to open it. Oh, see, now I do need a knife. See, you don't always need a knife. So right there, it's just a pack of grommets. I got a couple of holes on the firewall that I've needed to replace the existing grommets because, you know, just with age, they deteriorate, and sometimes, you know, you plop one out and you misplace it and you lose it. And so I figured this 170 pack of grommets would work out. And as far as quality, I have no idea. I guess we're going to find out. So like I said, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe, why wouldn't you? Hit the bell notification. It'll just obviously update you on when I put out another video. And I hope you enjoyed this episode of First Gen Friday. So thanks for watching.